This 2024 Forest River Flagstaff E-Pro E19 FDS E-Pro E19 FDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. This new Forest River is 20 feet 2 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 3, Colorado Detector, awning, external shower, water heater, TV, skylight, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, spare tire kit, microwave, and 31 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features Murphy bed, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Forest River Flagstaff E-Pro E19 FDS E-Pro E19 FDS is 3,360 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Recreation USA, visit RVUSA.com.